Hello everyone, welcome back to Connie's cooking channel. Are you having a good day? I hope you're having a good day. I was at the grocery store. I saw this on sale, so I decided to go ahead and make it. They had like buy four, get the fifth one free, the thighs and the chicken legs. So that's what we're gonna make tonight. It actually says it's barbecue seasoned, but y'all know we gotta add our own seasoning. So without further ado, look at the rest of the ingredients. I'm gonna finish off with the bell pepper I had earlier today and the onion. We would need onion powder, garlic powder, grab some black pepper, Maggi Pollo, I'm bringing her back, y'all. Or you can use your Cajun season if you top it out with some smoked paprika. And don't forget my accent. Y'all know that's my favorite seasoning to boost all the flavors. For your mac and cheese, I'm using 2 boxes. I have some milk, sour cream, salt and pepper, and then we'll top it off with our paprika. Get you a pot of water. Add some salt and oil to this. Y'all see these packages like that? Set that aside. So we're gonna put this on the stove, let it boil, and then we'll come back and do our next step. One onion, 1 garlic. Y'all know I'm a fan of black pepper, but I'm gonna use a half of this. Now Maggi. Y'all know we need some seasoning in our chicken. I'm just gonna give her, let's do a 1.5 tablespoons. Good measure. Probably 2. Add a bit of this accent. Don't want to overdo it. Just a couple of dashes. Come back with the smoked paprika. Now I'm doing it like this because I can sample it, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll let you know if I need to add some more ingredients in here. Just give that a stir. And throw in my pack of Sazon, y'all. I haven't used this for a while in my videos either. Yes. Whoever made it, thank you. My neighbor said some more paprika. All right, here we go, y'all. They're eating dinner with us, so may as well go ahead and hook it up. All righty. Like I said, I'm just adding these onions and peppers to this because I had some leftovers. All right. There's our noodles. No, I didn't rinse them off. Run some hot water on them. We're gonna want this to be very hot. This is why you want them to be hot. Squeeze all that cheese into there, ladies and gentlemen. Now this cheese sauce is salty. So we don't need a whole bunch of salt with our macaroni and cheese. You want to pick it up from the bottom and work it to the top. Try not to smash your noodles, y'all. We are now ready to add in our sour cream with our milk. Again, stir it from the bottom. Move that aside. Grab your baking dish that you will use. I'm using one that's already buttered up. And put that in there just like that. Add some black pepper on top. So y'all love me some black pepper. Go ahead and add our cheese. Little as much as you like. I think that's plenty. What y'all think? Pour our milk directly on top. Look. Just like that, lady. And that should be plenty. Now let's put our macaroni and cheese in the oven for 45 minutes to an hour. Uncovered. We are back to our chicken. And toss in our veggies that we cut up earlier. And my onions. For good measure, just gonna sprinkle some of that seasoning at the bottom, y'all. I'm gonna season them right here in the pan, ladies and gentlemen. You wanna get up under the skin. And this is optional. I mean, if you like your chicken the way it is out the store, by all means, bypass this step. I just know I don't like bland chicken. And that's one thing I wanted to do. I think I'm gonna do it right here while I'm doing it. Let me slice some of these. Put some cuts in between there. Y'all have a choice. Y'all tell me what y'all want to have. Macaroni and cheese, or you're gonna have it with the beans. And I will post again with all the seasonings I used in the description at the bottom. Meanwhile, this is going into the oven at 350 along with our macaroni and cheese. And when we come back, y'all know what we do. Plate it up and let you sample it. See you once it's done. This is our chicken. What do y'all think? Ooh, look at that chicken. Yum, yum, yum. Make these recipes, macaroni and cheese and chicken. I'd like to thank you for watching the video. Y'all go ahead and give my video 2 thumbs up. Share the video with your friends and family. Share, 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 share. We're almost to our next milestone of 21,000 subscribers. We can do it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm actually gonna plate this up and let you get a sample of it. Give me one
Let's get
second.
some hot sauce on our chicken.
Or Tabasco sauce, whichever you prefer. Cut into, oh yes, Jesus, our chicken thigh. Nice and tender. It's thoroughly cooked. This chicken is so juicy and tender. I get a bite. I'd like to thank you for watching the video. Y'all give the video 2 thumbs up. Share the video with your friends and family. Share, 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 share. We're almost to our next milestone of 21,000 subscribers. Until then, God bless you. And I will see you again on the next video.